So, I was watching a few YouTube videos recently and I realized that I never bothered to actually check to see if these crystal oscillators here, or yeah, oscillators, were actually functioning or not. And when I went ahead and checked, using my multimeter here, turned on to frequency, if we take a look first at this crystal here, which should be these two pins, you can see that it is running at about 33 megahertz, give or take a bit. But then this crystal over here, which corresponds to these two pins, seems to be completely fried. It's reading 0 hertz. It's not actually working. And that could be a potential issue because I don't have any data sheets for really any of the chips here on this board except for maybe this Intel chip, because all these are proprietary parts. But if a crystal is not working, then that means that one of these chips, most likely this one from the looks of it, is not able to actually function. So yeah, that's just a quick little bit. ST-157A, or ST-157A, like, what, part 6 now? Repair. And yeah, I know that the actual disks themselves on this drive are pretty much toast with that terrible head crash, but hey, if the logic board still works, then at least I have a spare if the working drive that I have ends up ever dying. So yeah, thanks for watching.